Hi, my name is Celeste Raponi, and I did a identity design for Nancy Branson and her student rental company called My College. She is a woman who is married, has 1 kid, and is in her 30s. She leases apartments/houses in the town of Oneonta to kids who go to the SUNY or Hartwick. Her company is called My College Student Rentals, as you can see, and it's her side job, so it's not her top priority. She's a yoga instructor at Tribe Yoga in town, and she also lives in town, so she's very available if anything arises to her tenants. She has multiple properties that range from Main Street to Linden Street, and she is not as well known as the other rental agents, but she is becoming more well known. The audience for this identity project is the college students, mostly sophomores looking to get off campus for their junior to senior year. Some juniors are also looking for their senior year, so it's just sophomores and up basically. And they're going to have about 2 to 3 roommates depending. They don't want a crappy looking house. They want something that their parents would approve of, so keeping things updated to make it more feel like home for them is ideal. I understand the product, service, and the company thoroughly because I live in the town of Oneonta, and I am a SUNY student. So I know what other kids are looking for, and I relate to them. Her competition is the top 3 ones I would say in the location is Prime Oneonta Rentals, Peter Clark Student Rentals, and Osterhout Student Rentals, I believe, are the top 3 competitors that she'd be looking for. My client hopes to become a part of these top rentals in Oneonta. She needs a unique and simple identity system that reflects her image, which is a working mom who is caring and knows the struggle of being a college student as she went here. And she knows what they want. Like, they need the amenities and they need to have easy access to the school and downtown. This mood board is very cozy feeling, very earth tone, simple, very student college-like, and they want like a nice looking house, but they also don't want it as expensive, and they need their own room with their own stuff, but even like a shared area that looks nice and is a little updated with all the appliances. And she really is just shooting for a warm, cozy, comfy feeling when they rent from her. My first collateral piece is an Instagram ad, and on this Instagram ad I posted our label, and I made a mock-up of what she might say and what her ad would be. I did a business card. On the front we have the logo so people know what they're looking at, and on the back is the number and the website, so you can either call to make an appointment to go view the properties or search them on the internet. I also have a lease agreement. It's a little congested because everything has to be formatted in a certain way, but I thought that this looked the best. And here we have a van for the services for the areas that she owns, to bring different furniture to different places and take out AC units and bring them back and just keep the place updated and have handy tools. And here I have the alternate color logos that I created. Here I am showing you the different backgrounds that should be used on this. You should always try to use it in white with these lines for the amount of clear space, It just makes the student rentals show up more clearly and make it cleaner if you can do it in white. And if you cannot do it in white and you have to do it in black, make sure it's 100% black and make sure the clear space is enough when you print it. And do not use this background on a picture or the word student rentals will not be 100% visible. Here I have the colors I used and the different tones if you have to change them. This is the font I used and where I got it from. This is my logo in black and white. And then here I have my clear space to tell you that from each corner, each bottom corner, it should be from the top, that corner of the M here to this and all the way up. Make sure it's in line with that little top part, just a little bit up from that top part, and then it's 5.55 inches across and 2.6 inches up and down. And that is my logo that I've created for Nancy Branson's My College Student Rentals. Thank you for watching.